productive.io review and tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to review productive.io and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on productive.io, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is productive.io, it is an all-in-one agency management system designed to streamline operations for marketing, creative, and software development agencies. And Productive aims to centralize project management, financial oversight, and resource allocation into a single platform, in which this integration helps agencies reduce manual work, improve data accuracy, and ultimately drive profitability. And the platform offers a variety of features, including a real-time profitability insights, project scheduling, and customizable reporting tools that allow users to tailor data extraction according to their specific needs. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button below here and start creating your own account on this productive.io. So from here, just simply enter here your working email account and click Start Free Trial button to proceed. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter here your company name and also select the company type in here. We have here accounting agency, architecture, and many more. And also select the company size in here. And after that, just click the next button once again to proceed. And all you need to do from here is to simply select your answer. How did you find out about Productive? And you could also enter what are the main challenges you want to solve in here. But at this point, I'm just going to keep it blank. And after that, just click Start Using Productive button in here to proceed, after selecting your answer in here. And upon doing so, we'll now be able to be directed on this page. And all we need to do is to simply wait for it to load, since at this point it is currently preparing the organization. But it will show us in here some of the offer or feature they offer, including to manage your project in Kanban, list, Gantt, calendar, or table view. And even choose the push project forward, and even choose to boost the profitability in here. And after clicking the Start Using Productive button below, you'll now be able to be directed on this page, where it will show us how we can start creating our first project in here to proceed. So to do that, just click the Create Project button below, in which after that, the next thing that we need to do is simply fill out the required information, such as to select the project type, if here client project or internal project. But let's say I'm going to choose the client project, generates revenue and profit for your company. And we can also start choosing to create from scratch. Well, under these project details, we can also start entering here the name of this project and also select the client in here. For example, by clicking or checking this one, you can start clicking or choosing the company A and also the project manager and even the default workflow in here. And after that, you'd also select to enter or create a budget in here from scratch by copying an existing budget or create from template. But I'm going to select I don't need a budget and now proceed to the next step, which is this one. Under project management, it will show us below the option to create a new task by clicking this plus button. On this pop-up window, just simply enter here the task title. For example, I'm going to enter here a title, set an appointment. And after that, below you could also enter a description below here, such as to add a body text, or even add an attachment, add dependencies, add a subtask in here, to those, and many more. While on the right side panel, it will show us to add it to the list or a folder, assignee, or if you want to assign for a specific person, enter a due date or time and date in here, initial estimate, tags, and many more. And to proceed, just click Create Task button below here, and upon clicking on it, we will automatically be directed on this page. And it will show you in here the task that has been added or the task that we've been created. You'd also enter here to create a task list, or even click this toggle off or the toggle views, select the layout in here, and even these fields. By clicking this one, it will show us some of the fields such as task list, status, due date that we could also navigate and customize. We could even sort the data, show the task assigned to you, and many more. Now aside from task, you can navigate also this docs by clicking on it and click this add a new doc, in which it will show us that we can start creating using AI. Or from scratch by simply closing it, it will show us that we can simply enter the title in here and other contexts. So this is basically how we can start creating our sample docs on this page on productive.io. Moving on to this budget. If you also want To create a new budget, just click the new budget button and you can start creating from scratch, copying an existing budget or creating from a template. But at this point, I'm just going to start from scratch and click the continue. And after that, just simply fill out all of this required information, including the client name, the project, the budget date, budget end date, and many more. But upon closing this budget, it will show us in here the example with here, the administration, budget, development, internal project, and the price of it, such as the revenue, margin, budgeted, time usage, and many more. Now aside from budget, going back to this page, once again, a productive, we can now also navigate here some other options such as the time in here. By clicking on it, it will show us how we can start tracking the time in here with a date, budget or deal, person, note, work time, and any other details in here needed in order to track the time. Moving on to these invoices, by clicking this plus invoice, we can start generating our own invoices, which is to streamline the billing process for agencies. You could also simply enter here the amount that we need to record the invoice amount in here, and also select the budget status and many more. So basically, from your users can create an invoices with just a few clicks, whether for fixed price projects or hourly hour, and can bill for either remaining time and expenses for specific amounts left for invoicing. So this is basically what it looks like. We have here the status, the invoice number, date, the budget, and many more. Moving on the top panel, aside from project management, you can navigate here the time, such as my time in here, to track the time, which is designed to enhance the efficiency and profitability for agencies. And users can choose from multiple methods to log their work hours. You can also navigate the timesheet, calendar view, work log, and many more. Moving on to this financials, we can navigate here this payment. By adding a payment, we can select here first the company and also select or create an invoices. For example, this one, which is the example of monthly retainer. By checking these boxes, just click next step button to proceed. And after that, you can also by clicking a create draft button. And you can also navigate to change the tax rate in here, the remaining amount, and many more. But by clicking create draft, it will automatically be added in our draft. While under the sourcing option on the top panel, you can navigate here the resource planner for people, project, and time off, and even the employee in here. And also the CRM that you can navigate the deals by clicking on it. From here, you can start creating a new deal, in which all you need to do is simply click here or to choose to create from scratch or create by copying an existing deal. And by clicking the continue button, you can now proceed by filling out the required information in here if you choose to create from scratch. Now moving on, going back on this page once again, you could also navigate here the companies to start creating a company on CRM. And once again, by clicking the plus button, you simply fill out the required information to start creating or adding a new company. Now moving on to this reports option, you can navigate here to show all of the reports, either for the private or public type and other categories or uncategorized in here. And also to check all of the messages, you can navigate here this inboxes. It will show you in here all of the messages and updates from other agency or company. Now going back in our homepage in here, from here it will show us all of the details, including a summary or the invoice by the month, invoice, revenue by clients, future utilization, open budgets, and many more. And now in terms of the pricing plan that offer by productive.io, you'll be able to see here some of the plan including essential, professional, and ultimate plan with the corresponding prices and list of benefits included on each plan in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can use productive.io. Thank you.